Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to configure your shipping options in Hostinger Website Builder at 2026. So actually guys, first you will need to open your source shipping settings, and to do that you will need to make sure that you're really logged in to your Hostinger account, and then just open the website right here on the left hand menu, the second option, and then just go to that specific website and click on Manage Store next to Edit Websites option. In here, everyone, where you can create or edit the shipping zones. So the shipping zones help you group countries, regions that share shipping costs. So here, all you need to do is go with the left hand menu and click on the settings option. Scroll down in it and click on the shipping, okay? So, in shipping option, you will see a default zone, usually your source country. So you will need just to click on shipping zone to edit it, or just to rename it, and that's optional. And also you can add some countries just from that option, okay, and states as well where you will ship. So a zone may represent Europe, North America, or local delivery only. So actually guys, as well, you will need to know that each zone can have up to 25 shipping options like flat rate, free shipping, weight based, etc. And to add a new option, you will need to click just right here. So you click on add options, and here you will need to name the method, for example standard shipping, express delivery, etc. And also you will need to enter the shipping rate right here, or the shipping cost like flat rate for the whole order, okay? Also you can use add conditions right here, yeah, just like that. And inside that you will need to choose the condition type, whether you want an order price or order weight. Here you can enter the minimum order price, and here the maximum order price, and after that all you need to do is to go and click on add, and that's to save the options. And if you want to use weight conditions, actually you will need to make sure that every product has its correct weight set in product settings. So then just go and click on add. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.